Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Disney, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by researching the history and performance of Disney as a company. Look into their annual reports, financial statements, and market trends. Familiarize yourself with Disney's business segments, including parks, media, and entertainment.
Determine your investment goals, such as long-term growth or short-term gains. Choose a suitable investment account, such as a brokerage account or retirement account. If you don't have one, open a brokerage account with a reputable firm. Ensure you have funding available in your account for purchasing shares. Decide how much you want to invest in Disney based on your budget. Check the current stock price of Disney to assess its market value. Use a reliable stock market app or website for real-time quotes. Consider whether you want to buy shares outright or explore options like fractional shares. Evaluate the timing of your purchase, looking for any significant price changes. Place your order to buy Disney stock, choosing between market or limit orders. Monitor your investment regularly to track performance and market conditions. Stay informed about Disney's news and developments that may impact stock value. Reassess your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.